Look at verse 13 with me. He says, "For you formed my inward parts. You wove me in your mother's womb. I will give thanks to you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Wonderful are your works, and my soul knows it very well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in secret and skillfully wrought in the depths of the earth. Your eyes have seen my unformed substance, and in your book were all written the days that were ordained for me, when as yet there was not one of them." The Hebrew translation for inward parts is really just the word kidney, right? It's not very poetic, but it's just it's an unseen part of us. We don't get to see our kidneys. Not like we get to see our hands, but that's the idea. It's the unseen that God knows intimately, personally. That He was involved in all of that in some way or some fashion. That there is no person living on planet Earth that was somehow an accident beyond God's knowledge. That God knows everyone. That there's not a person that was born on this planet that God does not recognize, that He doesn't know. In fact, there's not a person on this planet born that God didn't know would be born on this planet. That His knowledge transcends the known universe. That He was involved in all of that. And so knowing that makes us realize that we belong and that God wants us. He wants us to be part of His family. He wants us to be part of His creation. We're not an accident. Do we make mistakes? Do we do silly things? Do we do things that are unpleasing to God? Do we do things to hurt ourselves and others? Yes, all of those things are true. That doesn't take away from the reality that God knows us, desires to have a relationship with us, knows our future, knows our past, knows our present. It's interesting to think about when the psalmist says that in your book are written the days that were ordained for me. I don't think the psalmist is saying, and as you read through your scriptures, you don't really get the idea that God has just orchestrated every move you're going to make. There's still free will. But God knows that every move you're going to make before you make it. God knows every step you're going to take before you take it. God is that involved. God knows all things. He is omnipotent. That's who God is. And He loves us and knows us and wants us to have this relationship with Him. He is creator of all humanity. He created in His own image for a purpose. And that should cause us to pause and contemplate our own life decisions.